Hi, I've got my trial version of Home Designer Pro 2021 open. I put a window in there, made it fixed glass, and I went to the Arch tab and assigned it a Tudor arch. Now you notice it says here a light 11 inches. Let's make it 8 inches and see what that does. Well, it changes the angle, doesn't it? Let's make it, oh, wait a minute, got to go over here to the Arch tab. We'll change that to 18 inches. Well, it makes it quite a bit more steep. So you get the idea? When you, if you to take a window, I'm going to delete this one and put another one in there. It comes in at the default. So you have to take it, and I'm going to reprogram it to be fixed. And I'm going to go over here to the Arch tab and select Tudor. Well, you can see without putting anything in these input boxes, nothing happens. So let's put 10 in there. I don't even know what radius does. Let's put something in there and see what it does. Okay. That gives it a radius. Okay, well, I don't want a radius in this case. And I think 12 kind of matches the 512 roof pitch that I've got there. Pull it down a little bit. Maybe a little less steep. Let's make it 11.5 inches. I think it goes in the wrong direction. My point is here that you have to do something. So 12.5, maybe that'll match the angle a little bit better. I think we need to go steeper yet. 14. Okay, let's go in the wrong direction. All right. I see it now. That's pretty darn close. My point of this video is that you can't just click on a button and say, well, figure it out. You figure it out. The software is a tool, and you find out how to use it by study and practice or trial and error like I just did. It was, I assure you, it was trial and error. I haven't used a Tudor arch window in eons, and I had to look and just see how it actually works. Okay, hope this helps you. If it doesn't, have a great day.